So this is the rupee sign, Tamil rupee sign. And if you want to create this in your computer, you must open the Microsoft Word, and after that you must type like this 0bf9. Okay, I'll show you. You must simply, after opening the Microsoft Word, you must type like this 0, then b, then f9. So 0bf9. After tapping like this, you can see in your keyboard there, this is the alt key and this is the S key. So one of your fingers should be in this alt key and there should be in this S key. So you must press this alt key and S key. These two keys you must press at the same time. Then you can see that we have created this Tamil rupee symbol of this video. See you for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you.